Okay, let's do the MyHeritage DNA test. Just received it. I have this, I have the envelope, bag. I already activated my kit online. We have to do that before, and the instructions are here. So step 1 is done, now step 2 and forward. $30 for 6 seconds in the mouth. And I am just woke, so I haven't drank or eat anything yet in the morning. So I am much more than 30 minutes without eat, drink, chew gum or smoke. Well, I don't smoke anyway. First, left side. Let's count 30 seconds, 1 minute. Over a minute. Let's open it. Not touching and break inside it. Closed, and that's it. Close very well. Now right checked. And I need to send it to Germany now. Seal the envelope. Ready to go.